Hello and welcome to the first episode of Learn to Code with your host, Learn to Code. So in our first episode, we will learn the basics, like how to make a level game. Like, it's different, but we'll learn how to use the transport script. So if this guy is touching this shade of gray, it will go to the next level. But we will do ours a bit different, like this guy. These guys were following each other. So I was like, eh. He also commented on one of my other account's names. But that is one of his, Ray chose one of his Roblox accounts, so send friend request to him. So we're gonna make a game where if you hit pink, you move on to the next level. And if you hit, black, you go back. So first we're gonna need to pick a spray. I want the baseball. And to make things easier on yourself, you grab the shrink and then make it as small as you want. I'm gonna want it pretty small. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. And if you want to change it back, it says no, that's size. Says sets 35%. So let's get into the coding part. Okay, so you're gonna want to go into events and pick the when key is pressed and choose up arrow. Go to motion, change Y by I don't know, how about 10? So now if we start our game, magic! Ooh, this is valuable. When the play button is clicked, go to start XY position. Because, if I would just go up without this, if I push the flag again, I'm still there. So then I would eventually go off screen and I would never go back. So this is pretty important stuff. So now that we've got that, let's do the other keys. So same logic. So when down arrows push, so Y positive goes up, Y negative goes down. You might be thinking it's the X, but no, it's not. Minus 10. So now do this. When right key is pushed, change X by 10. When, oh wait, no, that's a receive. I'm stupid. When left key is pushed, yes, I know this is space, change X by negative 10. Same logic as the X and Y. So I liked my players to be also WASD guys. So I'm going to get my test bananas. Always get my test bananas. You don't have to do this. This is an optional part. I'll put text up in the corner, say when the next big step is. And so just drag everything here to here, to there. So basically all they did with that fast forward was change from down arrow to S and stuff. So now that we've got that out of the way, your guy can fluently move. So here is a big part in this. Big part. It's designing your first backdrop. I want to make mine pretty simple. All you have to do is move your guy up and go down a large diagonal tunnel. Squeeze through. And hit this big yellow dot. So now, to make sure when he hits red, he goes back to the beginning of the level, we're going to need the trusty test bananas. Or we might not. Because this will constantly update if you move your guy. So or you could just also type minus 205 for me, minus 143. This only goes up to 240, and Y only goes up to 180 on this. So when the play button is clicked, forever, if blank, then go here. To make sure if it hits, so currently I can just go right through red. Also, I can go right through yellow. So sensing, bam, red. Now looks what happens. So good at tutorials. Then you have to push play. And if that doesn't work, which it doesn't all the time for me, go to backdrops, get the same color, make a big dot, go to scripts. It has to be the exact zone, so. Yeah. I've been at this game for a long time. So we're just about to wrap up the first episode. And then, yeah. So get your test bananas. So, I used the trusty dusty test bananas. Same thing with yellow, but take this out. And then get events, broadcast message 1. When I receive message 1, go next backdrop. When the play button is clicked, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. And then, well, to get it back to the start. So guys, that will end up the first video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.